Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel Fold to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, click on the same options on both smartphones. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select History at the bottom of both smartphones. Now, in Personalize Your Ad Experience pop-up, you can click on the best option for you. And then, wherever you decided, click on Close this window. Now with this pop-up out of our way, select Send at the bottom left corner of Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Now you can use all of those categories available at the top of Pixel Fold and select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And finally, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!